Hello YouTubers, this is your houseboat introduction video. We're making a Lego houseboat, Legos, and this is an introduction video of that video. Tonight I'm gonna make the boat, and then I'll show it to you in the next video. So sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned next day. And so yeah, it's gonna take me a few hours to get the boat done, but some of it, some other various videos, I'll maybe make a video of me floating it in a tub, see if it floats. And I won't tell you my secret of how I make it float, but yeah. So be sure to keep an eye on these videos, because I'm going to be making a Lego boat, Legos houseboat anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna grab a smoke, and then I'll come in here and make the boat, and then make a video of you showing the boat. So yeah, keep an eye on the videos. So.